Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Facebook using the mobile app. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your menu and press on Settings and Privacy. Press on Settings. Click on Account Center. Press on Profiles and select your profile and select your account. Press on Name. From here, you can able to change your Facebook name. Then press on Save. That's it. So this is how to change your name on Facebook using the mobile app. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.